Inflation erodes people's money and it's coming in higher than expected. It's surging. Right now we're seeing core inflation around the world and in America hitting new highs. It's on an increase. The Fed put interest rates on pause, but core inflation came in at 3.3%, much higher than expected. Will they raise interest rates? Some people think they could even have to raise interest rates. Trump's policies, of course, are naturally inflationary. His policies, tariffs, policies which affect global trade, policies which would reduce taxation for Americans, all of those policies are inflationary. Of course, at the same time, he's deporting illegal nationals. That's fair point, but of course, that means the workforce is less than it was previously. Again, that potentially increases wage inflation. What should you do about it? Well, first of all, if you're investing money, just realize that commodities, they tend to do well in this environment. Also, at the same time, it means you can get a higher return in fixed. So just think about it. When fixed rates go higher, stocks often go lower. Why? People take their money out of what's seen as a risk asset and they go for a fixed return. You can talk to a deVere advisor and they'll give you the best fixed rates right now. You can potentially make 7-8% in fixed. So why would you take a risk potentially on making 10-12% in stock? Well, if you're in the right stock, of course, you can make more money, but there is a downside risk. So people tend to move more to the fixed area. It affects, of course, then investments. Same time, the cost of things that you're buying is on the increase. So therefore, when you're spending your money, you need to make sure that you're aware of what's increasing money, where you can actually reduce spending, and make sure that you're always putting some aside for the future. Inflation is just a fact of life. And when you have a world where there's deglobalization, in other words, tariffs and the world split apart, arguing with each other, then you always get inflation. Keep up to date. Follow me on YouTube. I'll make sure that you're aware the best places to put your money. Right now, look at more into a fixed rate area to make sure you're locking in good returns. Make sure you're gaining financial security for yourself and, of course, your family.